we got the top holiday tool deals at the Depot. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can bring more to review videos so you guys won't miss any of the latest and greatest Black Friday and holiday deals this year. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. This is $3.49. This is something we don't see every day. It's a rubber broom. And then we got this, like a brush style. For the quick lock attachment for the weed eater. The one that is quick attachment capable. And then we got this one, pruning socket for $2.99. So the yellow text, sometimes they mean their new lower prices, or sometimes it means it's clearance. Like this one's $2.29. It is cheaper than what it was before. And then we got this one to the right, which I would definitely stay away from unless you have a really small yard. This one's $1.39. This is a weed eater and blower combo. We got the clearance section here, $27 for this extension. This is a 12.3 15 amp. Pretty decent size gauge there. And then we have this Squeeze Monkey Chief Blackout XL, $18. And then we got the gloves there. The gloves, they do have a tag of $21. These are pretty nice. Got a tile saw cutter, 101. We got a Weber cut or accessory for the Weber. And then we got this reel, extension cord reel, $84. And then we got this pruning shears. And then we got this Hoover cleaner for $125, was $179. Then we got another vacuum here, $75 there for $99. That's a pretty good deal on that one. And then you got $19.88 for this tumbler. This is actually a pretty good size tumbler, especially for the coffee or for the when it gets hot, because it gets really hot here and you need a lot of ice. Alright, so you got cable. This is for the iPhones, for Android users. I'm sorry, but there's no for you. Gotta go to Amazon or something. Get a good brand there. And then this one does have a Bluetooth speaker and it has a light. So great for the garage. You know, get some tunes out of that. And then you got $19.98 for this light. Some of them are rechargeable, some of them are not. So be careful, read the package. Got this drone here. It's actually a pretty nice drone. It is hybrid. I don't think it's GPS. GPS, it means it's a little bit more advanced. That's most likely for a youngster, or teenager, or you know, older child. You got this massager, and then humidifier, $16.88. These are great stocking stuffers, or just, you know, if you guys want to have a a small gift idea. There's a lot of stuff you guys can get here at the Depot, especially these headphones. And well, I did a video on this one. This was actually not that bad. If you have rechargeable batteries, definitely recommend it. But if you do not have rechargeable batteries and you want something that's chargeable, they do sell lithium. I believe it already has a built-in rechargeable battery in it, so be on the lookout for that. Got 2 batteries, a charger for $129, was $179. Got a jigsaw for $90, was $179. And then you got another retracting cord reel, $42 from $55. You got a safety box there, $174. A safe box. And then you got some screwdrivers here and some insulated screwdrivers, $21.97. And $22 for the 6Ps. Alright, so something to compare with. I was looking at this vacuum. This vacuum is really compact, really small. This is the M12 Fuel. So I was looking at the organization that it has inside. It seems to be pretty nice. Everything fits in there. I actually like it better than my pack out, because the holes in the pack out sticks on the outside. This one's everything crammed in nice and. But here's a quick comparison between the M18 and the M12 Fuel. And then I saw this tag here for $10. However, they did sell out, so they did not have any. But I did show you guys the tag just in case you guys see it. You got a Schumacher charger. Not that the winners here, you're gonna need to help out those batteries with the chargers. So definitely jump on these, guys. Make sure you guys have a charger handy handy at the garage or at the house because, yeah, I had to replace 2 batteries already this year. So because of the winter, and it doesn't even get cold here. So I must imagine what you guys go through there up on the States. Let us know down in the comment section what's your temperature. If you guys get snow, ice, let us know. All right, so you got the DeWalt's, pretty nice deals for those drawers for $99, and then you got the organizer there for $24.98. That's pretty good. It is compatible with and this organizer is not compatible with the Tough system, but still a DeWalt. Pretty solid deal. I believe these were like $10. I don't know exactly if they're still $10. And then we got the screwdrivers with the precision screwdrivers and some stubbies. It's actually a pretty dang good deal on this one still. $14.88. Another good deal is this one, $75 down from $149. SDS 5/8 from Joby. And then here's another one, a hammer drill kit for $112 down from $159. And then buy one get one free. So you buy any of these, get a free battery. So definitely that $469, I will definitely jump on that. I do have that one. As a matter of fact, I do have that one. Those are pretty solid tools. They're very powerful. However, you guys want to invest in something like that, that's a good brand to invest. All right, you got the Ridget $29.98 for the. This is actually a pretty nice, pretty beefy, heavy duty organizer. So definitely check that one out if you're already in the platform. All right, $12.88 your choice here. You got all sorts of blades. You got some jigsaw blades. You got some spade bits. Some reciprocating saw blades. And there's the spade bits there. And circular saw blades. All right, so you got a 4.5 and a 7-inch, $29.97 and $14.97, depending on which one you want. If you want the turbo or the segmented. This one's the diamond turbo, 4.5. So, and then if you guys want a little bit something more aggressive, here's a diamond segmented. So that's pretty nice. And then you got the 7-inchers out there on the back for the bigger stuff. And that's the way this looks, right in the middle of the section of the Home Depot. And then you got the reciprocating saw blades, $15.97, and some jigsaw for $17.97. All right, some more blades. Is a 10-inch and 12-inch, $54.97. And then you got some accessories for the vacuums. So $49.97 for that 3-piece and $39.97 for the tip dust collector. $29.97 for the air tip flexible hose, micro hose. So you guys do a lot of detailing, ACs and cleanouts and stuff like that. Like detailing cleanouts. $79 for the vest, either black or brown. And then the fitted hats are $19.97 and the beanie there. So these are pretty good materials, pretty rugged. Most likely like a jean type, like a Levi type. So yeah, very rugged, good for the work job site. All right, $149 for the 2-tool combo kit. I would definitely stay away from that one. Invest in fuel, invest in brushless. All right, so you got some nut drivers here, some 2-inch bits. Looks like a bit holder. Bunch of 1-inch bits here, 25-piece total. Got the hatchet for $229. And then you got the 2 batteries for $179, down from $199. That's actually not bad. And then you got the chain here, replacement for that hatchet. All right, talking about new tools. This is a fairly new tool. Recently we did a hack on these. Definitely do not pay that $189. Wait for a hack. I'm pretty sure this is gonna come up. I did miss that deal. I still need to get this and make a review for you guys. All right, so 16-piece ratcheting wrench set. It's a pretty good deal, $49.88. Definitely jump on that one if you guys need that. $20.47 for the cutting kit. So if you guys do projects, if you guys do lines and, All right, so buy one, get one free. The bottom one's already sold out, the $99. The $199, you get 2 free tools. It's actually a pretty dang good deal on that one. You get 4 tools for $199. $24.97 for the high pressure inflator. Tire gauge. Does not have a battery. And then these as well do not have batteries, but you got some lights and some speakers and a glue gun. So all those are $29.97 each. However, I did do a review on that speaker, and the one of the speakers wasn't good. It was making a weird sound, so I had to return them. I returned them both because there's no use in that. All right, so a power inverter, 120 volts, or watts, $49.97, and then that wet and dry vacuum, a really small wet and dry vacuum. You got the 2-tool combo, get a free battery. So if you guys hack that, that's gonna drop down to at least $100. So great deal on those. $19.97 for any of these. The tape measures. I gotta stock up on those tape measures. I should have just bought one. Now that I'm looking at this. See, every time I go over a video or I edit, I'm like, I should have just picked this up or not, because I'm more concentrated on getting you guys the deals and all that. Anyways, the fastbacks, those are my favorites. Definitely check those out. All these tools, the 27-in-1, I just made a video on that one. That was pretty good too. $8.57 for the safety glasses. And then my favorite, they're the ones to the left, the 1997 ones are the fog free. Great for the winter, great for the heat when you guys sweat. It's always great not to have that fog. And then that's the way it looks. I do have the tinted ones because I work outside. I'm in the sun all the time. And then the buy one get one free. So definitely a $69 600 lumen headlamp. It's worth to hack it. So buy that $69 and get one, this one to the right. You can choose any of those, by the way, but I believe the headlight's the best one. You can choose that one. All right, so talking about buy one get one free, you got the spend $5.99 get 2 free tools. Spend $3.99 get 1 free tool. Spend that $2.79 with the 2 batteries, new lower price. Get 1 free tool, and then the cheapest at $1.79. They did lower the price on that one, so definitely jump on these guys. Stock them up because you gotta before they take it down. All right, so $3.29 down from $3.49. This is a nail gun kit. Does come with the battery and charger. And then same thing with the DeWalt's. You spend the $4.99, get 2 free tools. Spend $3.49, get 2 free tools. Spend the $2.99, get 1 free tool, and the $1.99, which is the cheapest, get 1 free tool. All right, $29.88 for the 128-piece dual driving bit set, tough case. Does have some nice bits in there. Magnetic sleeve, extension bits. Those are very useful. Tic-tac cases there, drilling bits, some 2-inch bits, socket adapters, nut drivers, bunch of bits in there. And then these pen lights, these are very useful to have. Sometimes you need them on the job site. You do an inspection, you forget your flashlights. Well, there you go. You pull that out, and you already have it in your pocket. $5.99 for the fuel 9-inch cutoff saw, and then the abrasive cutoff machine, $2.19. So definitely check these out. I used to have this one. This one works pretty good. However, you need a lot of batteries. It loves to eat batteries, so you need a lot of 12s, a lot of 8s. If you have 6s, you're not going to make it, especially if you're cutting concrete. And then you got the miter saw, 7 1/4 miter saw, which I need to get a miter saw. $149 for impact driver, drill driver. If you guys want the impact driver or the drill driver, they're $99, or the power stack. So pretty good deals on these. And then let's look at this box. Never seen one of these before. So pretty decent quality. I mean, it's not the best quality. I don't know the price on this because it did not have a price, but it looks pretty decent. Great for, storage. That's it for today. Just thought I want to show you guys a little bit different video today. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. You guys have a great and safe weekend. See you guys in the next one.